Hey, it's JetRex13, and today we are on the Hypixel server. And if you don't know what the Hypixel server is, it's something where it has a load of games on it. So I'm pretty sure most of you know what Hypixel server is. But my favorite game on Hypixel is probably going to be Bed Wars. Bed Wars is pretty popular at the moment, so... Oh, I think I was definitely playing Build Battles a bit ago. So I'm gonna go to Game Arcade. I think Bed Wars is probably the most popular right now. I don't think it is, but... Okay, let's see what I get in my chest. Mystery chest, okay? One available. Oh, got it. Okay, let's see what I get. How many stars does it have? 3 stars, okay. Open. What do I get? What do I get? Legendary ghostly skeleton suit head pet items. Ooh. If I go in here then, it says pets. It said like, wait, what does it mean by pig? Pig. What is that? Oh, must buy VIP. Oh. Well, I'm gonna do, oh yeah, I've heard of capture, but I'm not gonna do that. Ooh. I'm gonna do 4v4, guys. So, yes, if you already know my channel, I can only do 15-minute videos. So, yeah, I'll probably have to split this into parts. Actually, no, I can't split it into parts. Is this like Mario Sunshine or something? Look. I want to be green. Green's my favorite color, if you guys didn't know. Well, oh yeah, and I wanted to give 2 shout-outs today to my friend Jade and my friend Daniel. They go to my school, Glenwood Heights Primary. So yeah, I'm on the yellow team. It looks like yellow for gold. Nice, nice. I like ice. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna save up. He's gonna build straight to emeralds. You always got that guy. You always got a guy that builds straight to emeralds. But that's good, because we want obsidian, like, big time. Oh, no, I don't want that. Blocks. And stone. 24, nice. If anybody breaks endstone, like, what is wrong? And then we'll probably put sandstone on the outside, because if you don't know something about sandstone, I think this is true. What was I going to say? Yeah, fireballs can't break sandstone. At least by what I've seen. It can't break it. There's that. Okay, how much is sandstone now? Let me check. Wool. No, don't need wool. Sandstone. Did they actually get rid of sandstone? I don't think they did. No, but they did not get rid of glass. I think that's their new endstone or something. It's gotta be. What you wanna? Okay, I'm gonna pause the video here until I got a few materials ready. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm back. I got 45 there, so buy some glass. I got as much as I can. I usually like to make fortresses, but I'm not going to do that in this episode. Oh yeah, what was I going to get? Melee. Knockback stick. There. Got a knockback stick, and I got some of this. Some of this. Dang, I placed that in the wrong spot. Nope. I hate whenever I do that, place it in the wrong spot. Okay, so now if anybody fireballs us from the front, it won't do anything. So that's kind of good, right? 57, dude. Oh. I'm going to stay here. I think I'll be like the builder for my team. Okay, let's get some more glass. Whoa, you can only get 20 glass. Imagine how much it is to get a stack of glass. But yeah, glass is pretty good, surrounding it with endstone. But I think I did this wrong. Yeah, you're supposed to like surround the outside. You're supposed to surround the glass with endstone, not surround ends to with glass. I did that kind of wrong. But it doesn't matter. It's all about having fun. It's never about winning. It's just having fun. So if you play a game to win, don't. Just play the game for fun. I mean, it's not bad to want to win. Like, of course, you're always going to want to win. I think that's pretty good to start off, and right as I say that, I noticed there's a gap. Dude, okay. He's going to emeralds, I think. Okay, I'm thinking to get an iron sword. Okay. What was I just... Oh, yeah, glass. Glass. What's here? Oh, just normal stuff. Ooh. Actually, now that I think about it, just gonna. Oh, he froze from my screen. I was like, what's going on? How much is a bow? 12 gold. Okay, I need to get 14 gold. I'll check in the chest, actually. Yeah, there's nothing in there. 12 gold. I could buy the bow, like, right now. I'm not gonna risk it. Okay. What was I saving for besides a bow? Oh, yeah, utilities. Fireball. Oof, only 40. Okay, I want to get, like, 20 more. That's good. Now, 6 minutes in the video already? Dang. What are sponges? Oh, yeah. Of course, that's what sponges do. Oh, I have enough. Okay. Dude. 8 arrows for 2 gold. Okay. I'm going to put this stuff away. Just so. I don't want to die. Okay. I'm going to put my knockback stick away because those are pretty hard to get. So, I'll put all of my good stuff away. Yellow wool, I'll just keep in there. Okay. Got really everything I need. I don't know, just there. Ooh, red's probably going to come towards us. Yeah, red's coming. Like, big time. No. Okay. Dang it, I missed that. Wait, what? We already won? Dude, that was fast. Yeah, victory! No fair, he gets a horse? Yay! Yay! That was really quick. Now that I think about saying it's really quick, I just noticed that was 8 minutes. Free daily delivery. Yeah, I already collected this, didn't I? I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah. I'll do like another match. But this will be quick, guys. Because I only have like 7 minutes left. Actually, now that I think about it, that's actually quite a long time. 4v4. 4v4. Oh, I love this map. This map's fun. Stonekeep. I want to be green. I don't know why I'm obsessed with green. I always want to be green. It's just the color of emeralds. I mean, red would be good. They need to add rubies into Minecraft. That would be kind of nice. There are mods where I think there's probably a ruby. Yeah, I'm green! Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, yeah, I'm green! Yeah, yeah, I'm green! Okay. So, I'm gonna do what I did last time. Kind of save up. I think he's gonna put it on the bed. Okay, good. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna get the glass first, because that's what I should have done last time. Yo, he got major issues with his eye. I don't think that's supposed to go like that, but we'll just say. And also, guys, I will do Cuphead videos on this channel. What do I mean by this channel? My only channel. I will do Cuphead videos on here. Dang it. I should have placed that spot. Okay. Just need to get a bit more. Okay, it's 12. Just need like 4 pieces, I would say. Yeah, that should be good. Nope, definitely gonna need more than 4 pieces. I just noticed that the whole top's 4, and I'm like, nope, we're gonna need more than 4. Okay, I think I need like 6 pieces. If you notice on the last round, I didn't even get off the island. I barely did anything last round. I need 24. 25. Actually, I think I'm going to get me a knockback stick while I'm at it. Yellow bed. I'm green. So yellow is out. That's good. Well, not good for them, but good for us. Of course it's good for us. I don't think yellow was too bad, actually. They weren't attacking us or anything. But, yeah. Ooh, yellow team has been completely eliminated. Oh, poor yellow. What did yellow ever do? Well, they yelled, oh, of course, but don't yell at. Oh, he scared me. I was like, oh no, there's a bee. Okay, now I'm gonna get, not bedrock. I think it's bedrock, but it's not. Whoa, actually, what would be a good idea is to get some, an iron sword for protection. I didn't even have to do anything in the lesson. Just need a lot of this. It's not a stack, probably a stack and a bit more. What's going on? Okay, I'm gonna let that go for a bit. Oh, blue is heading over here. Huh. No. Yeah, stay back. Dude. Okay. I'm gonna go on my inventory. I'm gonna drop that for somebody. Dude. Gold. Gold. Nobody wants the gold? I'll just buy an iron sword for somebody. I guess that would work, right? Melee. 2 iron swords. Dude. Somebody tried the fireball. Hey, I don't think he already has an iron sword. Back! Rah. Okay. Dude. Does nobody understand I'm trying to give them an iron sword? Like, seriously, come on. Does anybody want that? There. Take it! For you. Gosh. Bruh. Like, bruh. Seriously. Come on. I don't think I'll have enough time to finish this match. 24, that should be kinda good. Oh, I didn't even notice. Put it for me. Oh. They're heroes. We got the best teammates ever. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. I ran out. I just want to make sure there is some at the top that I need to fill in. I think I can do that before I have to end this. Like, seriously, I could do it. Yeah, this video is going to have to end soon, guys. I'm sorry. No, don't drop that. I want that. Pay the price. Okay, good. They got that. And that's going to end the episode here. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. Bye!